Guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel LabRat. I really like Windows 10, but the only thing I do not like about this is its features. Features like it will always keep on updating itself no matter what. No matter if you have the enough data pack left in your Wi-Fi connection or not. But the Windows 10 updation, they don't seem to stop. No way possible. So today in this video I will be sharing with you top 5 tips. If you really watch these tips and turn the settings on, you will be able to stop Windows 10 automatic updation, as well as you will be able to save the internet in your Wi-Fi connection. So let's get started with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is to set your Wi-Fi connection as a metered connection. For this, go to your start menu, go to settings, click on internet and network, go to Wi-Fi, go to manage node networks, select your preferred Wi-Fi connection, go to its properties. Here you can see I have already put this on. This is the main setting which it says metered connection. So if by default it is off, in that state you just need to put this on. That's it. Now you are done with the tip number first of setting your Wi-Fi connection as a metered connection. Tip number two is all about stopping your Windows update from more than one places. For this, go to your start menu, click on settings, go for update and security, click on advanced options, click on choose how updates are delivered. So here you can see it is by default on in all the operating systems. So what you need to do is just put this off. Now your Windows will not update your local network PCs, which means if you have other laptop or desktop connected to your local network, the Windows will not try to update all of them if you turn this setting off. Now you are done with setting number 2. Let's move on to tip number 3. Tip number 3 is we really need to look for the services, the Windows updation service, which is running in the background. Every operating system, be it a Windows 7 or Windows 10, they all have the applications that are running in the background, like Chrome has for the crash holder, and other software has their own background application, as well as Windows 10 also has the background application that you can easily put or turn off, or maybe you can disable this. So what we need to do is we need to go find all services, and we need to find the Windows update service. So go to start menu, type run, hit enter. In this you need to type services.msc. This is the interface for all the services running on your operating system. So what we need to do is we need to find Windows update service. I'm going to navigate to this. Here it is, Windows Update. It says enables the detection, download and installation of updates for Windows and other programs. So what you need to do is right click on this, go to its properties. Here as you can see, startup type. So it is by default selected as the automatic. What you need to do, put this a manual mode or a disable mode. If you want to run it, maybe you want to install the updates, when you want to install them when you have the Wi-Fi connection that has more data, you can put this to manual mode, or if you want to permanently disable it, you can put the disable. For me, I'm going to set this as disabled and apply, and then OK. Now you are done with the 3 settings of the Windows. Now it's time for the tip number 4. Tip number 4 is all about editing your operating system's policy. There are some policies that actually are responsible for the notification as well as for the installation and downloads of the updation. So what you need to do is go to your start menu, type run, hit enter, and type gpedit.msc. As soon as you hit enter, the Windows operating system will open up a local group policy editor interface. I'm going to maximize it so that you can easily see what all the items are in there. So we need to go for administrative templates under computer configuration, then go for the Windows component. Now look for the Windows update folder. Here it is. Hit enter or click on this. It will show you two tabs. One is the extended tab which has the description with it. Another one is the standard tab. So go to the extended tab and you can see there are many policy which is responsible for the notification, as the first one says do not display install update and shutdown options, shut down Windows data box. There are many policy. We need to find for configure automation. So it is configure auto. Okay, this is not it. I need to navigate to this. Here it is. Configure automatic updates. Double click on this. I'm going to maximize it. So default setting for this policy is number 3, which says download the updates automatically and notify when they are ready to be installed. But this is the default setting, and what we need is we want Windows not to download and do not install any updates. So Windows should tell us that there are updates available. Should I download it for you or not? So what we need to do is we need to change the default settings from number 3 to number 2. Number 2 says notify before downloading and installing any updates. Okay, so go here and enable this policy and choose from the top menus number 2 setting, which is notify for downloads and auto install. Then apply and then okay. Now you are done with the tip number 4. Now there is only one tip which is remaining, is tip number 5. Tip number 5 is the most important tip and the least important, because most of the people forget about turning this setting off. It is all about your Windows Store. Windows Store actually keeps on updating all the application running on your operating system in the background. We do not care about this much because we also want the app to have the latest version. But if you really want to save a lot of data, then go to your Windows Store and disable this option. So click on Windows Store. You will need internet for this, so I'm going to connect to my home internet. Refresh the page, go to your profile section, okay, somehow it is not accepting the Wi-Fi. Let's give it some time. It is already connected, so let me try it again. I'm going to close it, then open the Windows Store again. Here you see the yellow icon with the Wi-Fi icon, which means there is no internet connection. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect my Wi-Fi and connect this again. Now it's connected and secure. Now I'm going to retry the refreshing page. Now go to your account section or profile section, go for the settings, and I have already disabled it. In case if this is enabled like this on your system, please disable this, which means just set this opposite, put this off state like this. So now you're done with all the 5 coolest tips that will help your Windows from installing the automatic updation. You can easily stop your Windows automatic updation, as well as you will be able to save a lot more data back in your Wi-Fi connection. So hey guys, if you really like this video and you are able to do these settings on your computer PC, please subscribe to my channel for future Windows hack. Goodbye.